Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. If you want to change the straps on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap we have this lever basically we can pull on, and this is the basically mechanism, the quick release mechanism for our straps. And how it works is basically if you pull on this lever, it will retract the pin right here, and this pin will release the strap from the watch. So let's pull on this lever. It's quite hard to pull honestly on this watch, so it's a bit of a struggle, but pull on it and it should release the strap. Oh wow, this one is holding quite well. Oh, it released, okay. And then you can just pull it out. And I'm gonna show you how this mechanism works. Basically, when you're pulling on this lever, it retracts this pin right here. And once the pin retracts, it will leave this hole right here on the watch and release the strap. That's how it works. Let's do the same for the other one. So pull on it, and will release the strap, and you can then pull it out. It's quite stiff when it comes to like pulling on it, so you need to put some more force into it, I would say. And here we have our straps and our watch. And once you get the new straps on, or rather for your watch, you can put them on. And it's also quite simple. You simply take the end that is opposite from the one that has a lever on it. You put it into a hole on the watch, like this. Then you align the other end with the hole, like at least close to it. Pull on the lever to retract the pin, like this. Push it in, and then wiggle it around, and it should click in. And once it does, it will hold, like this. Let's repeat it for the other one. Put it in the hole on the other side, like this. Oh, like this. Pull on the lever to retract the pin. This one is quite hard to pull on for some reason. Like this. Align it a little, move it around, and it should click in. Yeah, this one is quite hard to pull. Come on. Why is it fighting with me that much? Okay. And now align it, clicks in, and here we have it. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.